Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up PayPal transaction records for CRM follow-ups, detailed guide step by step clearly. To back up your PayPal transaction records for CRM follow-ups, start by logging into your PayPal business account. Once logged in, navigate to the Activity tab located at the top of the page. In the Activity section, you will see a list of your recent transactions. To filter the transactions, select the date range that you want to back up. You can choose predefined periods like last week, last month, or set a custom date range. After setting the appropriate date range, click on Apply. Now that your transactions are filtered, look for the Download option. This option is usually found at the top right of the transaction list. Click on Download, which will open a drop-down menu with several format options. Select the format that best suits your needs, such as CSV, PDF, or Excel. For CRM purposes, CSV is typically the most versatile format. Once you select the format, click on the Download button. The transaction records will be prepared for download, which may take a moment. Once the file is ready, it will automatically download to your device. Locate the downloaded file in your designated Downloads folder. Open the file to ensure the transaction records are complete and accurate. If adjustments are necessary, you can modify the document using spreadsheet software. Next, import the transaction records into your CRM platform. Log into your CRM account and navigate to the Import section. Follow the prompts to upload the CSV file containing your PayPal transactions. After the upload, verify that all data has been imported correctly. Make sure to assign the transactions to the relevant campaigns or follow-up tasks in your CRM. Finally, set reminders to follow up on these transactions as needed to maintain customer relationships. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.